Hey everyone, and welcome into the garage. Today we're going to take a look at the 2025 Shizuoka Hobby Show. I can't believe it's that time of the year again already. And the automotive kits that were on display. We have a bunch of new kits that were announced, both in new tooling and existing tooling that was either modified or new parts were created to make a new version. All right, let's get started. We're going to get started with Oshima. So we're not getting not one, not two, but three new Fast and the Furious kits. So of the R34 from Too Fast and Dom's RX-7 for the first one. And here are the new parts that were tuned up for both of those. And the third Fast and Furious kit is going to be the Supra from the first one. So this will be kind of nice to have an actual decent Supra kit because the AMC one was pretty much craptastic. The next new kit coming from Yoshima is the new Nissan Z, the RZ34. This will be the Nismo packaged version. So this one will pair nicely with Tamiya's. 1997 Honda Civic EK9 Type R. And the Evo 3, which was announced last year along with the Supra, although we didn't know it was the Fast and the Furious Supra last year. This will also be part of the Snap Car series of kits. Another one that was announced last year, the 2017 Nismo R35. This one was just released actually as the MF Ghost version. And the 21 GR86 BRZ, this time as HKS Type S kits. Looking forward to those. Bell kits is up next, and the one kit we're going to talk about is the 2023 Toyota GR Yaris Rally version. I bet this one's going to be pretty popular. Now we're going to turn our attention to BMAX and what they had on display, and a couple of new kits from them. First, the 2018 911 GTE with new decals. The Porsche 953 for the 84 Paris-Dakar Rally. The Porsche 935 Hawaiian Tropic for the 79 24 hours of new tooling here, the BMW 320 E21 Group 5. So this is an interesting one for this Toyota Celica. This started out as one of DM model kits they were going to do. Now BMAX Nunu has the tooling, so I'm sure there's a very interesting story on that one. Here we have the 787B that was announced last year along with Porsche 917 LH. This is a new one that's getting announced. And the other next new kit announcement, another 112 scale kit, Yamaha YZR-M. Fujimi had a display. Long time for them since they've last been to one of the model shows. Nothing new was announced. They just had some of the kits that are currently in their catalog on display. The Jimny kit was on display. They got a new version coming. That one has the fender extensions. Hasawa is up next, and we're getting our first look at the R30 Skyline that was announced last year. Yamaha TZR. And the Idemitsu Honda Civic, which is the second variation of this new Honda Civic tooling. Got the Black Lagoon Celica drag version. The Toyota Celica LB 1600 ST with new wheels. And the Isuzu 117 late model with new wheels. And the Mazda SA22 RX-7 Street Custom. Now we're going to take a look at Italia. They had the Volvo FH low roof kit on display. And from Revell, the Fendt tractor parts trees were on display. I'm still excited about this one, even though it's going to be an expensive kit and probably more expensive now. Should be out later this year. And now finally, Tamiya. And one of the last new kit of this video, the new Honda Prelude was announced. And unfortunately, it sounds like it's only going to be coming with right-hand drive dash option, which is kind of sad for us here in the left-hand drive part of the world. The Audi Quattro getting a reissue, new decals. They'll be out in the end of May. Mercedes 500 SCL. I just built this one a few years ago. Also is getting a new set of decals. It'll be out in July. The Porsche 962 and the Honda Prelude XX, not Triple X, it'll be out in July. So there we go. That is a look at the 2025 Shizuoka Hobby Show. I know there are a lot that I am looking forward to and excited about. If there are for you, please let me know in the comments below. I hope you found this video useful. And as always, thank you so much for watching.